Ghana people don't wise up. In fact, it remain Nigerians and other African countries. The youths of Damango town where they inside Ghana, then these people, they boldly reject gifts where politicians carry con give them. On I hear wetin I talk, they no accept. No be say they even do share say make they collect half keep half. They talk say they no want. This MP, for those who know anything, be MP just be like I say governor. I be one kind local government chairman inside Lagos State. Now so this man be. This man name na Samuel Abu Jinakpo. Abi na Jinakpo na be this man name. This man na from MPP party na in there. There's an idea this man gather mothers making sure him people for this community love. Carry bag of rice. I know they talk of nylon of rice. So carry bag of rice. Say men go distribute, give them this youth. Now there then this youth para. They talk say that in fact there should be other side of them say they no need this. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
We need job, Ryan, we need job. We need job. Job, no rice. Job, no rice. Job, not rice.
This one, in fact, na big eye opener for us. Now big eye opener for other countries. On a see wetin Ghanaian youths they do. On a see wetin youths Ghana moral do. They never even agree. Say this one I even bag of rice. Say may they reject her. But it's in Nigeria. I be other African countries. All this kind of petty food stuff. We go don't gather moral. They happy. They shout hey because of ordinary rice. One cup where we say politician will give us. In fact, all these youths they come outside. They talk say they no need this man rice. Say now work, now they want. Say work no dey the country. Make this man find work. Give them. Honor they hear people. Honor they hear wetin then these people they talk. In fact, they very specific. They know wetin they want. Now make them come outside talk and say, now job hunting now they need. Work no dey. Hungry dey the country. I not be only this country hungry dey. I know say this one they happen other places safe. But I beg you, which other country youths don't come outside talk say no, they no want. I still they wait for the day where this one go even happen inside Nigeria. I dey wait for that day because we know say plus Nigeria or plus Ghana, I sure say then this youth self, I sure say hungry go they beat them for where they dey. Things hard for them, but still they still gather that mind. They still gather that morale, say no, this one we go stand to our feet, we go stand, say yes, we don't want this thing. Now make they begin to read the rest, fling and say yes, they don't want. It's not in Nigeria, all our youth they shout, he choke. They go they carry this rice, they do jubilation. They go forget say yes, so this politician, you never do anything inside the country. So now make this one way than this Ghanaian youths do it. In fact, I suppose clap for them because they really deserve an applaud. In fact, this one way they do is sweet me for body. Election over itself. Some people don't begin wear APC and PDP clothes. They jubilate up and down, say they celebrate. The bad things what they do, they know they say, they know they even notice them. Make we wise up. Nigerian people better wise up. And I say as Ghana people now they don't stand up, complain. Now so other countries said suppose come as when they complain. The one where some people collect during boo ten, now we see they suffer now. Ordinary 1 cup of rice, so some people collect, now make all of us now they inside this Nigeria now they hunger. But this one they use on carrying a bold step. I hope so other countries and other African countries go imitate, they go learn from this one. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come, making a service in our ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I fear about this whole matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for our next video. My Kadenuga mistress don't come outside, they try. As EFCC say make she pack her load, come out from inside the house. I don't know the kind of way scattered in these people relationship. For those of now when you know my Kadenuga, now he be the 3rd richest man for inside Africa. And those of now where they use Globalcom, and I know be yes, now the owner of Globalcom, now be this man. I don't know what can happen to their relationship because this man and this girl, we gotta say, they don't date for 27 years. Hey, this one a big relationship, serious one. 27 years, that person they do side chick for man. Hey, I don't know what happen. The man talks say this woman stealing money. Say ain't phone kind money we say supposed give to person. So because of this one now, make this woman pack and go. If you not see as this woman start to cry, start to scatter body, say she just waste all her life, do all this one. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
He said I stole money that I didn't steal. He went to break court. What did I do? 30 years I gave my life to Adenuga. You want to drive me out of this house? This house that I spent 18 months in paying. How many houses do I have? What did he do for me? He didn't do anything for me. Children, no children, no husband. My Adenuga, leave me alone. No. Yes,
this is their house now. They want to go out. Allow them to go out. It's their house. Please, this is we are human beings at the end of the day. It's their house.
My Adenuga, leave me alone. No. My Adenuga, leave me alone. What have I done?
Ha! 27 whole good years. Hey, and we hear say this lady, she be this man's secretary, personal assistant, all this kind of thing. Now they do or they work together for 30 years. It means say for 3 years, this girl just work as secretary. The remaining 27 years, now they use they chop themselves. If we say this mistress, she don't even turn to mama, not be even young girl again, she don't even old. But on top of that, this woman, we cannot talk say she still there, say she no go come up for them. I mean, I for not believe this thing, but I believe her because if I see this woman nyash, I go no say yes. Because my cadet in a like woman we get big nyash. So as I see this one, I come to say, why this man go do this kind of thing for this woman like this? Now where this woman they cry upon everything she they talk, the things what they hear now. She no born. In fact, she no get anything for that whole 30 years. She no get anything to account for. You where they do side chick, you know even they use your brain. Person rent house, you know say this house, your money no they no use your name buy. And you there with them, you no gather any property. Born, you never if say you even born, self go say you won't use that picking now, take hold on. One picking you no get for this man. Now where this man don't come pursue you, you come there they cry, say your whole life you don't waste. I beg what you want make people do. Because this your cry, what way they cry, you no go even change anything, no go change anything. Because you know say this one and now money they talk. Now money anything where this man talk, now it go happen. And if you self no to get mouth, but I beg we won't come ask you. True, I beg you thief this money. Make we know as one day settle this matter. Because this man talk say you carry the money. And I shall say this man now, in eye go down there for young blood. Girls will be said they just even finish secondary school, be said their eye they chook. Now there the man eye go there now. You can't expect saying go come they follow with mama youngie. Now your own size now. I'm not saying no go they look at this one. But some women say, you this woman now, you deal with person husband for more than 20. You don't see anything there, you don't see anything bad. You chop in money, you enjoy money. Now when bad boys don't come happen, you can't they cry, they complain. Auntie, I beg, just do pack your me. I don't know where you want to go. Be na your village, you want to go back to Abihu house, you want to go. And they don't give you this ella like this. Just gently pack your things, they go. Because you know, say my na big man, you know go come as I can't talk, say okay, you do this one for this reason. So just to cover shame, auntie, I beg, just pack your look because this one self na shame to person eye. How you go there, they do girlfriend. No, wait to be girlfriend self. Side chick for a whole 27 years, you never even shame. So you don't draw, so you don't enter old age. Now what? It dey your body. But my people, I beg, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come. Making herself is not here. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.